Hey, what's up, guys? I want to ask you some question. Do you want to make hundreds of dollars by watching your favorite TV shows and completing simple question with your friends and families? It sounds easy, guys. I show you some website and apps that pay you for watching your favorite TV show and answering some little question with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, what do you expect from this video? In this video I show you how to make money by watching your favorite TV show on this app or website, whatever it may be. And it's legitimate way to make money, guys, and it's PayPal money, guys. It's also gift card available and it's also PayPal money, guys. Let's dive in this video. Before diving in this video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel. You can find tons of video about make money online that helps you people to make money online, guys. And hit the subscribe button, share, like and share with your friends and comment below, guys. Let's see any further ado, let's go. This website we're gonna see is called society.tv, guys. Go guys, society.tv, guys. This is the website or app I found for you, guys. You can make money by watching your favorite TV show, guys, and compete with your friends and win, guys. This is like a lottery tickets or survey question guide, but you can make hundreds of dollars of, guys. I show the earlier of the video people are making, guys. That's a proof of this society will pay you, guys, by answering some little question, guys, just about your favorite TV show, guys. TV show whatever it may be, the question you ask, if your question correctly, you can pay hundreds of dollars, guys, and you can withdraw your money easily via PayPal, guys. I think everybody has a PayPal account, guys. So this website is legitimate way to make money, guys. No doubt about it, it's legitimate way to make money. This website pays hundreds of dollars, guys, not little penny, $10, $20, guys, hundred of dollar, $200 per and per survey question, guys. Easy, guys, just not survey, guys. It's just a quiz, guys. You can enter a quiz and get paid, guys. Easy, guys. Let's show, guys, how it's work and it's legitimate or not. I show some reviews, some proof people are making good amount of money, guys. Watch till end for that and hit the subscribe button, like, guys. This is the website, guys. It available both on Android and iOS, guys. First it's only available on iOS, guys, but it's also released on Google Play, guys. And now you can install on Google Play Store, guys. Whatever device you have, you can install both Android and coming together and make some tons of money with this, guys. I show you, guys, how it's work, guys. And just to watch, guys, you can make money by watching your TV, guys. Let's just say, guys, just to 10 games, $100, guys, and 50 to friends, guys. You can earn referral dollars, guys. I show you how it's a referral work and how you can make tons of money with this, guys. You can make $200, $100 per week, guys. People are making killing with this, guys. You can too, guys. That's website I found you for you, guys. Society, guys, is legitimate way to make money. Don't be panic, guys. It's legitimate way to make money, guys. And you can make up to $50, guys, per account download and $1 per referral, guys. It's old, guys. You can make up to $5 per referral, guys. I show how it's work, guys. It's available both Android and iOS, as I told earlier. Money almost $1 million, guys. It's like a 800,000, guys, but it's almost $1 million. You can winning now, guys. Just click winning now and sign up, guys. You can easily get your, guys. Just to show how's the review look like, guys. This is the apps in App Store, guys. Society TV shows trivia games, guys. It's like a game, guys. Just to see, guys, just to go and participate, guys. As people are on leaderboard top, something like a quiz game, guys. There are almost a 4.1 out of 5 rating, guys. It's a good app, guys. People are making tons of money this, guys. Do you see, guys, people are making good amount of money, guys. Just to read this review, guys, people are making $5 per referral, guys. Did you see? $5 for referral, guys. First its original price is $1, guys, but this company is updated up to $5, guys. Just to think, imagine, guys, just to install and refer your friends, guys, or friends and family or your sibling, whatever it may be, you can get $5, guys, and your sibling or friends also get $5, guys. You both get $5, guys, just to a referral, guys. Further you can make even more friends and get paid, guys. It's also quiz competition, guys. You can participate in quiz and make tons of money with this, guys. It's easy, guys, but it's only downside, guys. It's available only US only, guys. If you from any other country outside of US, this video is not for you, guys. Please leave out this video and go watch another video, guys. I show how to make money in worldwide, guys. Just go watch that video. That's also make tons of money. But if you're in the USA, you can watch till in, guys. I show how it's work, guys, because you can make tons of money. New method you can see never before in any YouTube or any internet, guys. I found you for you and I show how it's work, guys. This is App Store review, guys. Let's show Google Play Store review, guys. This is a Google Play Store review, same as the title, guys. This is also look like, guys, just to watch and end, guys. Why it's only available US only, you may ask, guys? Because most of the TV shows available in US, guys. Most of US TV show only available in this app, guys. Only US TV show that only US people can answer, guys. That only this company only allow US people, guys. Just if you in the USA, you can easily earn tons of money outside of USA. So I'm so sorry, guys. If you're outside of USA, go watch another video. You can make tons of money with this, guys. Let's go on how it's work, guys. Just to go society.tv and get sign up, guys, and get your app and install, guys. Just I show how it's review, guys. This is a review, guys. People are making good amount of money, guys. As I told you, how will you get paid, guys? And this is my favorite part, guys. The minimum paid is $40, guys. Easily you can get money via PayPal, guys, but you can still cash out to Amazon gift card when you reach $10, guys. And it's took about 2 to 7 days, guys. Your amount come to your PayPal account, guys. Just 2 to 7 business day, guys. CC money, guys. And you can get n quiz games around $1 to $2 per question. It's only take 3 minutes, guys. Just to watch your favorite show on this website and get paid by answering simple question, guys. It took only 3 minutes for finishing this, guys. And it's available both iOS and Android, guys, no matter which device you have. And who can join this society, guys? If you have 17 plus, you can love reality show, TV show, or from US, guys. It's as I told you earlier, it's only available US only, guys. And if your friend uses your referral code, both will get $5, guys. As I told you earlier, both will get $5, guys. And I also show the proof in the starting of the video. I show, guys, it's legitimate way to make money, guys. As I told you earlier, it's only available in iOS. Then this company will automatically go to Android, guys, and you can sign up via Facebook account, guys. It's not other any option. The option will come, guys. This company showing this option will come. So if you had a Facebook account, go sign up, guys. If you hadn't, go sign up Facebook first and get to this app, guys. It's easy, guys. Society.tv, and I show you guys some little video about this society.tv, guys, just to watch this video and how it's work, guys, just to see how it's this way.
Society is a live 24/7 TV gaming network that pays you to play along with your favorite reality TV shows. Get enough answers correct and you win cash. It's that simple. Download the app and select your favorite show to get started. You know who's going to win and who's going home. Use that knowledge to predict the outcome, and you're ready to roll. Watch real-time results and compete against your friends to see how much you win. When the show is over, your cash winnings are credited directly to your account. Society. Watch, play, win.
Okay, guys, did you see this video? It's simple, guys. It's available lots of favorite channel, guys. American Got Talent and Bachelor Night, tons of TV shows available, girl. I think everybody is watching American Got Talent. If your favorite TV is American Got Talent, you can easily earn tons of money, guys. Just a simple answering simple quiz and get paid tons of money, guys. It's easy, guys. Guys, I show another review, guys, on Reddit. This is a Bear Money. It's a famous money making forum for Reddit, guys. Society is now available on Android user, guys, on US only, guys. As I told earlier, it's available only US, guys, and you can minimum withdraw $40, guys. But this company changed it up to $80, guys. It's depend on the show, guys. You can install and check it how is the minimum withdraw. You can easily get $80 or $10 within a week, guys. And if you had no patient, you can withdraw your $10 via Amazon gift card, $10 via Amazon gift card, and $80 via PayPal, guys. It's easy, guys. Just you can easily get $100 per week, guys. With this, you can watch your favorite TV show on mobile, guys, instead of TV. Just easy, guys. As you think, guys, you can make tons of money with this, guys. Just to go society.tv, guys, and get your app install, or go App Store and get your app install, guys. And this is the video all about how you can make money by watching just your favorite TV show, guys, and answering some quiz with your friends and family. And it's available only US, guys, as I told earlier. If you're in the outside of USA, go watch my another video. That's I show how it's make to money, guys, online. You can get paid, guys, even without using this app, guys. I show tons of ways you can make money with online, guys. Go watch my channel and subscribe, guys. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys, what about your thought about this video, guys. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.